Good morning, I'm Brian Ray. I work for Independent Electric. I'm their Cable Service Center Manager. Today we're going to walk through our wire room. See, most of the wire we have here is the popular THHN, which is the workhorse of the commercial wire business. Most of our orders come in during the day, and then we do most of our processing at night. So this place is pretty busy at nighttime here. We probably do about 600 or 700 cuts a day. We can handle up to 15,000 pound reel on our payoffs, and up to 108-inch reel, which allows us to get in large reels and minimize waste for our inventory. We're at our large wire cutting facility in West Sacramento, where we handle anything that San Leandro needs help with. This is a 15,000 pound payoff machine here, also a 15,000 pound take-up machine down here. We cut up to 108-inch reel on this machine, weighing up to 15,000 pounds. The cuts are usually no more than about 8 or 10,000 because you're cutting off of a larger reel. The main conductor goes through here, which gets counted, and then the other conductors fit through here and they get brought out on the other end, all into one cable bundle. We add pulling heads when we're done. We'll usually take 3 reels, set them up one behind the other, run them over the top. We've used these A-frames, which have the same thing. You can put your 4 colors in there. Then on the end here, what you have is a free spinner. This is for your ground wire here, because the ground wire has a different diameter. It pulls off at a different rate of speed. You can come on in and parallel them and then make our cuts at the right place, and we're good to go. We have the best cutting facilities, certainly in the Bay Area. So when you have a wire and cable order, give us a call, give your local sales rep a call, and we will get the job done quickly and correctly.